Hello students, welcome to English with Anjana. Today is 5th June. So regarding this day, I present a paragraph for the sake of you. So without any further delay, let's come to the main topic. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do like, comment and subscribe my channel to stay connected with me. So let's start.
সো চলো আজকের ভিডিওটা স্টার্ট করছি। ইউজফুলনেস অফ প্ল্যান্টস অ্যান্ড ট্রিজ, অথবা তোমরা এটাকে নাম দিতে পারো ট্রি প্ল্যান্টেশন অর অ্যাফরেস্টেশন। Trees are the most beautiful and useful gifts of nature. It helps in maintaining the ecological balance, which is so essential for existence of life on this planet. Existence of man therefore depends on trees. Trees provide us immense wealth and riches. The useful parts of forests are timber, wood, bamboo, cane, fiber, fruit, leaf, root, and flowers. The useful products from trees are resin, precious herbs, etc. The trees are also a great source of paper, rubber, gums, etc. Trees have a direct influence on the climate. They induce rain and prevent from air pollution. An area devoid of plantation of trees or afforestation will go barren and turn out to be desert in course of time. In nature, tree has the impact of increasing O2 and reducing CO2. Trees consume water from the soil and free it to the atmosphere. It helps to bring the rain properly. It prevents soil erosion. Increase of population, rapid industrialization, random deforestation has taken place. This has resulted the term global warming. The maintenance of trees and ecosystem, therefore the only way left to us for our survival. Regarding these things, tree plantation program is termed as Bono Mahotsav. The 5th June, that is recognized as World Environment Day. This day is celebrated in every nation for the sake of Earth's existence. Regarding this day, in broader sense, afforestation has taken place in many countries. Let's come to the point afforestation. Afforestation usually involves tree planting in agricultural or other lands that have been abandoned due to poor soil quality or overgrazing. The main goal of afforestation is to serve as a method to reduce atmospheric CO2, to increase the soil quality and store the level of O2, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide. So, by realizing the usefulness of trees and plants, many aware-minded people or conscious people, clubs, school, societies, colleges started tree plantation drive with great enthusiasm every year. Finally, we can say trees are really the most needful thing in this world. It is our true friend and our own true family. So, we must take an oath that we must plant saplings as many as possible, or if we cut one tree, then we must have to plant two or more than that.
So that's it for today's video. দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে।